Welcome to Honest Auto Wheels, your go-to channel for the most exciting and jaw-dropping rides from around the world. Today, we're exploring the top 3 most amazing luxury buses ever built, packed with features you won't believe. If you love incredible machines and honest reviews, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an epic ride. Let's hit the road. Number 3. The Volvo V Prestige 900 represents a bold new era in luxury travel. Combining Scandinavian precision and cutting-edge technology, this bus is designed to deliver an unparalleled experience to those who demand nothing less than perfection. The V Prestige 900's design is a true testament to Volvo's commitment to both beauty and functionality. Its sleek, aerodynamic shape cuts through the air with minimal resistance, ensuring a smooth and quiet ride. The rich, metallic finish gives it a sophisticated yet bold presence on the road, while the distinctive Volvo grille adds a touch of class. Inside, the V Prestige 900 offers a spacious and modern interior that rivals the finest hotels. The luxurious leather seats, equipped with heat and massage functions, allow passengers to relax and enjoy the journey in ultimate comfort. The panoramic windows provide unobstructed views of the surrounding landscape, making every trip an unforgettable experience. The interior is filled with high-tech amenities. Each seat is equipped with its own touchscreen, allowing passengers to control everything from the temperature to the lighting and even the entertainment system. Whether you're watching a movie on your private screen or enjoying the high-quality audio system, the V Prestige 900 ensures that your journey is filled with enjoyment. This bus isn't just about comfort, it's about convenience. The V Prestige 900 features private meeting rooms, a fully stocked bar, and even a refreshment station for long trips. It also offers high-speed Wi-Fi, so business travelers can stay connected and productive while on the move. Whether you're traveling for work or leisure, the Volvo V Prestige 900 is the future of luxury travel, combining comfort, technology, and design to create an unforgettable journey. Number 2. Imagine a luxury experience so exclusive, it can only be associated with one name: Rolls-Royce. The RollsRoyce Enclave is not just a bus, it is an icon of refinement and elegance. Inspired by the brand's timeless design principles, the Enclave is the very definition of automotive excellence, a true masterpiece in motion. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Enclave commands respect. Its classic silver finish, combined with the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy emblem on the front, announces its presence on the road with unmatched grace and dignity. The sleek, glossy exterior of the Enclave is complemented by advanced aerodynamics, ensuring smooth and silent cruising, no matter the terrain. The moment you step inside, it becomes clear that the Enclave is more than just a mode of transport. It's a luxury sanctuary. Inside, you'll find handcrafted leather seating that can be adjusted into a fully reclining position, offering maximum comfort for all passengers. The fine detailing extends to the polished wood panels that line the cabin, while delicate gold accents highlight the bus's lavish design. With customizable ambient lighting, you can adjust the mood of your journey to suit your mood. Whether you're looking for calm and serenity or a more energetic vibe, the Enclave features a state-of-the-art sound system that brings your favorite music to life with crystal-clear quality. For those who require privacy, the RollsRoyce Enclave offers personal suites with fully enclosed seating areas where you can relax, unwind, or work in solitude. In addition, the Enclave is equipped with a gourmet kitchen, offering everything from fine wines to freshly prepared meals, ensuring that your journey is as delightful as it is luxurious. Whether you're on a business trip, a family vacation, or simply enjoying the open road, The RollsRoyce Enclave makes every moment a celebration of the finest things in life. Number 1. When we think of luxury, Mercedes-Benz instantly comes to mind. The Mercedes-Benz Starliner X takes that luxury to an entirely new level. This isn't just a bus, it's a modern marvel on wheels. With its striking futuristic design featuring sleek curves and bold chrome accents, the Starliner X looks like it was built for another era, yet somehow feels timeless. The exterior of this bus is a work of art. Its aerodynamic body allows for optimal fuel efficiency while maintaining a presence. On the road that demands attention, LED light strips flow seamlessly along the vehicle's edges, accentuating its cutting-edge design, making every journey a visual spectacle, especially when driving through city streets at night. Stepping inside the Mercedes-Benz Starliner X is like entering a 5-star hotel suite. The interior is designed for ultimate comfort, with soft Italian leather seating that offers both warmth and elegance. Every seat is equipped with a personal entertainment system with 4K screens, noise-canceling headphones, and individual climate control. The cabin is lit with soft ambient lighting, allowing passengers to relax in their own personal space. The entire cabin is crafted with exquisite detail. From the handcrafted wooden panels to the marble floors, each inch exudes luxury. The Starliner X is equipped with a full-sized minibar, a private restroom with high-end amenities, and even a kitchenette, allowing for long journeys to feel like a vacation. You can host meetings, enjoy a movie, or simply relax while being transported in pure comfort. Whether you're embarking on a European tour or traveling across continents, the Mercedes-Benz Starliner X transforms the way you travel, offering the ultimate in luxury and technology, all wrapped up in one beautifully designed bus. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more honest reviews and amazing rides. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.